Okay, my face is orange now. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Unnati and it would really mean a lot if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my whole face of makeup with Insight products. There are some products that I've used before and loved it, but there are some new products that I'm going to be trying it out in front of you guys. So let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen, and now I'm going to go up with a primer. So I have these two primer from Insight here. I have been using this one. This is their Insight 3-in-1 primer and it is really good. It minimizes the pores and does it work. So I am really excited to start with this one. It is their pore minimizer primer. It states that it minimizes the pores, locks the makeup, matte finish, oil-free formula, extremely lightweight and provides flawless look. So I am really excited to use this one. So let's start with this. This is how the primer looks like and it is really tiny and cute. This is the size of primer. My hands are already tiny, so you can imagine how tiny it is. I'm gonna take a little much of it on the back of my hand and apply it. This is how the texture of primer looks like. It is not tinted and transparent too. I don't know what it is. So let's start with using it. So talking about texture, it does soothe the skin and minimizes some of my pores, I can see. And let's see how it looks after applying the base. Next up, I have this Insight Pro Concealer Palette. I have heard a lot of good things about this one. It is worth ₹175 and it comes with a cardboard packaging. Let's open this up. Then we get... And this is how the pan of concealer looks like. It comes with 6 colors and let's open it up. So I have these 3 colors in my palette, but I am gonna use only 2 or 3 maybe. I'm gonna use this orange one. Oh my god, it is really pigmented. Just look at it. It is really smooth and pigmented. Okay, let's start with the orange one and conceal our dark circles. I'm gonna take little quantity because it is so pigmented. ज़्यादा लूँगी तो मेरा पूरा फेस ऑरेंज हो जाएगा. It's really blendable and okay, I look so funny. It is really blendable and pigmented too. Let's see if it conceals the dark circles or not. Okay, my face is orange now. And now for the next step, I'm going to use this Insight concealer. It comes in a cardboard packaging and it is worth ₹100 only. It comes in this pan and there were only 3 shades, so I ordered this shade NC3 Rose Ivory, and I don't think it is my shade because it is a cool tone and I use warm tone shades. So this is how, let's try it. So this is the shade of this one and I think it is white. Let's try it. I'm going to do the right side with the beauty blender and the left side with the brush. It is blendable and it is covering, but I think the concealer was too orange. This is how the beauty blender side looks like. And now I'm going to go up with the brush. So I'm taking this foundation brush and blending it out. I think this side is more finished and this side is a light coverage daily wear look, and this is more of a medium coverage. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys in and show the texture. This is the beauty blender side and I can see some of my marks here. So we can say that with the beauty blender it is a daily wear coverage. It is a light coverage. and from this side you can see that it is giving me a medium coverage with the brush. So I really like this side. It is not cakey at all from both of the sides and it is looking really good. I really like the finish of it and everything is perfect. Just with the brush it is medium coverage and with the beauty blender it is a daily light coverage. I really like this concealer. In 100 rupees, what do you guys expect apart from this? Next up I have this Inside Duo 2-in-1 stick and I really like it. One side is of highlighter and the second one is contour, so it is really handy. So this is the highlighter shade, sorry, this is the contour shade and this is the highlighter shade. This is the highlighter, oh my god, and this is the contour shade. I must say Inside products are really pigmented and I really like the quality of it. I'm going to start up with contouring first. इतना जल्दी कोई भी कंटूर मेरा ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ है जितना जल्दी ये हो चुका है एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. आई एम ऑलरेडी लविंग इट. I mean, wow. Just look at the contour, you guys. Look at the difference. I'm already loving it. I am done with the highlighting and contour part and I must say I love it. I love this product. Like, look at the finish and these products are really pigmented and I really loved it. So just look at the glow. So now I'm gonna complete my base with some loose powder and eye makeup and come back to you guys. I'm done with my base and I'm obsessing over this eye look. Do you guys like it? Comment down below and tell me. So now for the last step, I'm gonna finish my look with this Insight Matte Lipstick and this is in the shade A5 Selfie Red. I got this last year but I haven't used it. So this is how it looks like and this is the shade. Oh my god, this is too pigmented. These products are too pigmented and I'm loving that. Just look at it. One swipe and you are done. So this is how the shade looks like. I am loving all the products. These are so pigmented at this price. They are giving such pigmented products and such good products. Look at my base and this lipstick. I am totally loving it. So talking about lipstick, it is a matte finish lipstick as you guys can see and now I'm going to try transferring it to a paper. It is not transfer proof, you guys. It is not transfer proof. I think it will be matte after some time or not, but I am satisfied with the product. At this price they are giving such good products, so I am satisfied. That's about it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I loved all the products from this range, this brand, and these products are pigmented, of good quality and does not look cakey on skin. Also, I loved the lipstick and the contour stick most. So please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss my videos. Bye!